Today I'm going to try to do chrome powder French tip nails. First I'm going to lay down my base color. Then I'll go in for a second coat to make the color darker. Next I'll use a no wipe top coat. Then use these French tip decals to help me get a clean French line with the chrome powder. Brush off the excess powder, remove, and then top coat. I wanted to do a design on the accent nail, so I'm going to try to practice daisies today. First I'm laying down my dots, then I'm going to go ahead and drag the polish inward to make the daisy flower shape. Next I'm going to add my dots with our orange color in the center and then top coat. I went ahead and did some extra petals on the two other corners just to finish it off. And that's it.